Welcome to another episode of Jay Leno's Garage. I guess this would fall under the restoration blog section because this is what you'd use in a restoration. This is called the EZVJack, and it's one of those products that I like because it's made in America by Americans, and it's a small company. You know, what we try to do here on the website is if someone has an automotive-related product and maybe they can't afford to advertise in some of the big car magazines, whatever it might be, we try to help them out because we get a pretty good viewership, and our people like to buy stuff from Americans, especially products built by veterans. And this is one of those little products that's kind of started in the garage and is really quite cool. Let's meet Steve Davis. Steve, come on in. You're the president of the company?
Yes, sir.
And your kids work in the company as well?
Yes.
So you get to be boss at home and boss at work. That's pretty good.
That's right. That's
okay.
Right.
So tell me about the idea for this.
I have a barn with a number of cars, and I wanted to be able to move them around easily. And I found that some of the products that we had have a lot of small wheels underneath each of the tires, and it's hard to move them back and forth. So I figured, well, you need larger wheels, you need a fewer number of wheels, you need something that is easily adjustable. And I said, gosh, I think I can do a better job than that, and I did. Okay. So that was the whole reason it started.
And it's all nicely welded, pretty strong. This is not a lightweight product, but it's for moving trucks and cars and heavy equipment. And you can use a floor jack, right? You put the floor jack under the differential, you lift, and this will slip right underneath it.
That is what it's designed for. Right. It's high enough that it'll clear a floor jack. You just lay the handle down, it'll go right up and around it. So that's why the open arms at the end clears the floor jack, lets it go right up underneath where it needs to go.
Right. This works exactly the way a lift, like our lifts over there work, our bed pack lifts, and then the arms adjust to wherever the frame rails are, whatever part of the car you're going to lift up. And you would need, well, obviously you need two, one for the front of the car, one for the back. Right. I suppose you could just use the back if you're going to just swing it around, couldn't you?
Well, we have it at one of the local car dealerships, and they're in their body shop. They would put one underneath the front or the back if there was an accident, move it out, get the parts for it, move it back in again, and they don't have to use two of them at that time.
Right, okay. And obviously you got locking wheels here, right? So that's, so you can, the wheel is directional.
Just the one wheel up in the front,
this
the
one
Vertex
here.
caster.
Okay. Well, let's show how it opens up. Now you have your two sons, Hoss and Little Joe here.
That's right, that's right.
To help out, there you go.
This is Matt and Dave.
Hi guys.
They can show you how this is actually easily adjustable. The arms open all the way up to about 90 degrees. It gives you almost 42 inches from side to side between the saddles. So most frames and so on are within that within that width. So
just about any, certainly any American car would fit in there. And obviously if you're doing a Camaro or a Mustang, it's a lot safer than, you know, I have a lot of idiot friends of mine. They put the jack on the differential, then they pull the floor jack, and then they hit a bump and it falls off the floor jack. Now they've broken the brake rotors because the wheels aren't. I mean, you know, we've all been there. And that's, this is really sturdy, heavy-duty construction. And you guys are veterans, too. You have some veterans. You're, what, 22 years now?
Right, 22 years in the military.
Okay, very cool. So
we've kind of downrated. Each unit will be able to hold 4,000 pounds. So a set holds most vehicles in the market under 8,000 pounds fairly easily.
Now show, have the guy show how the wheels lock. Show how that works. See, most products like this, the wheels just kind of flops around when you move it.
They caster.
This way, and you can lock the wheel in any place you want. So there you go. Yeah.
I found in my circumstances, if you have any kind of an incline, the car is going to want to go that way. So if you are able to steer one wheel, then you can put it right where you want to. Then one person can do it.
Yeah, yeah. Very good. Very good. Well, nicely done, and good luck with it. And thanks for your service. We appreciate that, too.
Thank you, Jay. Appreciate it.